John here again. Quick addendum to the copper chuck jaws. I don't know what I was thinking of before, but yeah, Anneal the darn thing. The very last jaw on my last chuck here. Oh, it's on there so good I can't get it off. So it's not going to fall off. I nailed it. You know, I was just too lazy to walk 2 feet over here to get the torch off the toolbox, and truthfully, it never crossed my mind. But after I did the after I cut it off and did the 120 degree cut and the just cut the length. That's all. Just after I did that cut with my multi tool, I just grabbed my torch and annealed it, and it's so much easier to work with. You can really conform to the jaws, just perfect, just easy, much easier. And it's a 1 minute. Sorry, I can't talk. Medications they got me on makes me goofy. I can't think of words. I can't get them out of my mouth. God, it's sure fun getting old. What a pleasure to be 80, huh? Yeah, can't do anything anymore. I was in therapy today, and I found out that I can't even I can't go up on my tiptoes with my left leg at all. It doesn't even move. It's not like it's weak and I can't do it. It's you know, I say do it and my brain says do it. Nothing happens. I mean, nothing. It's like I was asking somebody else's leg to go, because, you know, it's just horrible. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with this. But anyway, anneal that sucker. You'll be a lot happier with an annealed one. It just makes it so much easier to pound that on there and get it fitting just right. Sorry for the bad camera work, but I'm in a bit of pain right now. I'm sorry. I'm just doing it. I mean, look at the mess. I just got everything that, you know, I work messy, but not like this. I just got crap all over the place. But hey, it's better the big mess in the shop than not being in the shop at all, I guess. I can't argue with that. Anyway, anneal your copper. Always. I know that. And why didn't I do it? And whenever you're gonna form a piece of copper, anneal it. If you make a copper washer for something, you know, anneal it. It'll seal. Where if it's hard, it won't seal. But nice and soft when it's annealed, oh yeah. That'll stop the leak. Usually. So anyway, I'll probably have to redo this because I'm just sitting here rambling, aren't I? Wonderful. Thanks for watching, and get your torch out and anneal it. Takes 1 minute. Not then you take a minute, 3 seconds. In fact, if you cut them all ahead of time, you could do all 3 of them in 1 minute. Or 4 if you have a 4-jaw chuck. Like the first one I did was a 4-jaw chuck here. It came out real nice. It's only one light in the ceiling. It's hard to get a good picture with shadow in it. But that one's good. This one, If I can get a decent picture of it, that's good. Not going anywhere. Yeah, the only, anneal it, and I haven't done it yet on this one. Be sure to like put a 45 or round that corner, those corners off, so they're not sharp with that chuck flying around. In fact, I'm gonna cut those. I'll grind those down a little bit so they're not even above the thing. But yeah, definitely make those on. I think I mentioned that in the other video, but I did a much better job on this one. On this one, yeah. I did a much better job on one of the 7. The last one I annealed, and it was so much easier to do. Because when it was annealed, when I put it in there initially and cranked the chuck down, it was like butter. It just flowed right around the jaw, and it was so much easier. Oops. I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, or film and talk at the same time, I guess, because this is all going to get edited out anyway, I'm sure. Except I don't feel like doing any editing. It's getting awful long for one little tip. So thanks for watching, and catch you later.